Okay, in last video, we talked about BCP. I will just quickly recap. We discussed about business continuity management, BCM. Now, BCM has got business continuity planning, and it has got disaster recovery. Our topic, which we are discussing here, is BCP, right? Now, this BCP in itself is not a random process. It has got certain steps. These steps might differ from books to books, but most importantly, we should understand what is the philosophy of this business continuity planning and what are the steps which are logically performed in any company. There will be some name differences from book to book. I'm referring Cybex 9th edition book. So this book actually defines BCP in following terms, like I will explain here. Business continuity planning. So what are the steps? The very first step is project initiation. I mean, any security activity which we do has to start with an approval from senior management. If senior management is not taken in confidence, the activity or process will not be treated as a legitimate process. So the first step is project initiation. What we do in project initiation, we do a scoping, and we plan, and we take approval, basically approval from senior management. So this is project initiation. So the very first step of any business continuity planning will be project initiation. We should also remember this from an examination point of view as well. Now, once the project is started, the second step, this is first step. The second step is called BIA. Very important. If BCP is the heart of CISSP, BIA is the heart of BCP. BCP is not complete if we don't have BIA. So business impact assessment is basically identifying the business priorities. Like we identify what are the different business units for an organization. And we do an impact assessment of the business from a crisis point of view. So we can do an assessment of any business from some different point of view as well, like from a financial point of view or from a political point of view. But in business impact assessment, when we do this, we always think in terms of crisis, that if the business is not available, then what is the impact that is addressed by BIA, right? So this is the second step. And in third step, once we identify the priorities of critical systems, then we do continuity planning. Continuity planning is the third step, right? So project initiation is the first step, business impact assessment is the second step, third step is continuity planning. Once we plan based on the impact assessment that how we will continue the business, which is continuity planning, then next step, what we will do, fourth step, this is called approval. Whatever business impact assessment we did, whatever planning we have done, we take an approval for those created document and consideration, and we do implementation. Some text or book may say that approval and implementation different steps, but Cybex say it as a same step. So I will go with the book. Project initiation, first step, second business impact assessment, then continuity planning, then approval and implementation. And once it is all done, then the fifth step, which is basically education awareness, training, whatever you call, which is basically, it involves, what it involves two things: maintenance of the whole BCP process, and testing, regular testing exercise. We'll come to know that what are the different basically testing methodologies we do for BCP, right? So these things, these are the different steps which we consider in business continuity planning. So we also should know that what follows, what type of documents follows from one step to another step. I think I will explain it in the next video, and we'll try to go more deep, you know, in every step, and we'll discuss a complete flow in the next video. So in this video, the takeaway is that we should know the 5 steps which are the part of business continuity planning. Okay, stay tuned. See you in the next video.